Welcome to our OSHA Focal Point series. I'm Dr. John Mulroy, Director of the Pennsylvania OSHA Consultation Program, housed in the world-renowned Safety Sciences Department here at Indiana University of Pennsylvania. These videos were created with the essential, need-to-know OSHA compliance information to supplement your safety and health training. Addressing OSHA's most frequently cited standards, like lockout-tagout, fall protection, hazard communication, and machine guarding, these videos can help your organization anticipate, identify, evaluate, and control workplace safety and health hazards. We hope these critical OSHA focal points assist you in preventing future injuries and illnesses. If you still have questions or you need no-cost OSHA compliance assistance, we're here to help. All you need to do is reach out to us at IUP using the link below and request this no-cost OSHA compliance assistance service. It's that easy. Thank you for choosing the Focal Points video series. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to be the first to know when new safety and health content is added to this channel. Have a safe day, everyone. Today's topic is machine guarding. The purpose of today's topic is to provide you with the essential, need-to-know information about the hazards associated with machine guards. During this short presentation, we will briefly discuss the following topics, which include identifying the main causes of machinery injuries, recognizing basic machine parts that expose workers to hazards, recognize workplace situations involving machinery that requires guarding, and identifying the requirements for safeguards. Here are a couple examples of how machine accidents can occur. When a worker reaches in to clear equipment, not using lockout-tagout, unauthorized persons doing maintenance or using the machines, or when there's missing or loose machine guards. Amputations are a serious hazard. Amputations can occur anytime there's unguarded or inadequately safeguarded machinery, during material handling activities and activities involving stationary machines. The three fundamental machine areas include the point of operation, power transmission device, and operating controls, which include mechanical or electrical power control. The point of operation is where the work is performed on the material, and examples of a point of operation include cutting, shaping, boring, forming. Power transmission devices transmit energy to the part of the machine performing the work. Examples include flywheels, pulleys, belts, cams, spindle, chains, and gears. Basic machine hazards include how the machine operates, including machine motions and machine actions. Basic machine hazards include rotating parts with hazardous projections, common nip points on rotating parts, nip points between rotating elements and parts with longitudinal motions, nip points between rotating machine components, reciprocating motions including back and forth or up and down, cutting actions involving rotating, reciprocating, or transverse motions, punching actions including power applied to a slide or a ram for the purpose of blanking, drawing, or stamping metal or other materials, shearing actions, which is applying power to a slide or a knife in order to trim or shear metal or other materials, bending action, which is applying power to draw or stamp metal or other materials. Basic machine hazards that may need guarded include guillotine cutters, shears, alligator shears, power presses, milling machines, power saws, joiners, portable power tools, forming rolls, and calendars. When fans are located less than 7 feet above the floor or any working level, they too need to be guarded, and those guards cannot have openings any larger than 1/2 inch. Basic machine hazards associated with abrasive wheel machinery. Workers need to ensure that tongue guards are adjusted to within 1/4 inch of the wheel, and the work rest has a maximum opening of 1/8 inch. Guards also need to cover the spindle end, nut, and flange projections. Basic machine hazards also include revolving barrels, containers, and drums. This equipment is guarded by an enclosure which has an interlock and a drive mechanism, and these guards cannot have openings any larger than 1/2 inch. Common machinery associated with an amputation hazard include mechanical power presses and press brakes, printing presses, roll forming, shearing machines, slicers, drill presses, saws, and grinding machines. What are the requirements and safeguards for operating this equipment? Guards essentially prevent contact with any of the rotating equipment. Guards need to be secured. Guards need to create no new hazards, nor create any interference, and allow for the safe lubrication and maintenance of the equipment. The The primary methods to safeguard a machine include guards and devices. And when guards and devices are properly designed, constructed, and installed, and they're used and maintained in good operating condition, they will ensure employee protection. Secondary methods of protection include probe detection and safety edge devices, awareness devices, maintaining safe distances, safe holding distances and safe openings, safe work procedures, and other complementary equipment. Guards are preferable to other control methods. Guards essentially provide a physical barrier that prevents contact with any dangerous component of the machine. There are 4 general types of guards, and they include fixed guards, interlocked, adjustable guards, or self-adjusting guards. Interlock guards shut off or disengage power. They shut down moving parts and prevent starting of the machine when the guard is open. Many use electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, or pneumatic power, or a combination of the above. Adjustable guards shut off or disengage the power as well. Adjustable guards stop moving parts of the machine and prevent starting of the machine when the guard is in an open position. Self-adjusting guards allow the movement of stock material and places a barrier between the danger area and the operator. The opening of self-adjusting guards is solely determined by the movement of the stock material. The types of machine safeguards include controls or attachments that prevent inadvertent access by employees to the hazardous areas of the machine. Presence sensing devices include photoelectric, radio frequency, or electromechanical. Pullback devices may utilize a series of cables attached to the operator and automatically withdraw the operator's hands from the point of operation when the ram or the slide begins to descend. Restraint devices utilize cables and straps attached directly to the operator's hands and to a fixed point located behind the operator. There's no extending or retracting action involved with the machine, and hand feeding tools may be necessary. Two-hand controls deactivate the machine in an emergency situation. They are pressure sensitive, and positioning of the machine is critical. Two-hand controls must stop the machine before the body reaches the danger area. Safety trip controls deactivate the machine in an emergency situation and include pressure-sensitive bars, safety tripods, and safety trip wires. Positioning is critical here as well. These devices must stop the machine before the body reaches the danger area. Gate devices include an A gate or B gate, depending whether the machine is full revolution or partial revolution. And these gates are movable barriers to protect the operator at the point of operation before the machine can cycle. These gates must be interlocked so the machine cannot begin to cycle unless the gate guard is in place. Gate guards must be closed before the machine can function. Safeguarding can include location and distance. The dangerous moving part of a machine must be positioned so those areas are not accessible and do not present a hazard. And operator controls are located at a safe distance from the machine. Feeding and injection methods include automatic or semi-automatic feeds or automatic and semi-automatic ejections. An additional safeguard may include the use of a robot. Other miscellaneous aids for safeguarding include awareness barriers, protective shields, and hand feeding tools. To get more help with machine guards, go to OSHA.gov. Thank you.